Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So in today's video, I will be telling you mistakes to avoid while doing makeup or tips on how to get a flawless makeup, flawless base, flawless skin. So yes, if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. So as I said, I will be talking about the mistakes that people do while doing makeup. So first mistake which I see is not using moisturizer or not moisturizing your skin enough. I have emphasized so much on this that moisturizing, prepping your skin, taking care of your skincare routine, be it your morning skincare, evening, nighttime skincare routine. It's very important, guys, and moisturizing your face and your body is very important if you want to get that flawless and refreshing and beautiful base for your makeup, and you want your makeup to look flawless and airbrushed kind of feeling. So yes, moisturize your face like anything. Use serums, creams, your lots of masks and all, prep your skin like anything. So the second mistake I see people doing it, using too much of bronzer and highlighter. Like both the things, if you are doing too much, that it will make your makeup look muddy, and trust me, it's not a nice sight. So it will look very unnatural. It will not look sun-kissed. So whenever you are picking up a bronzer, you check that it is 2 shades up your skin tone. So take a compact or any bronzer you are and check with your skin tone. And it's if 2 skin tones up, then it's good. Don't go too dark. It will not look nice. Third mistake that I see people doing, and that third mistake that you should avoid, every girl should avoid, is not blending everything properly. So the key to a perfect makeup look is blending. You might have heard me say that blend till your hands fall off. There should not be any lines or any differences. There should not be lines between them. Your bronzer, your contour, your blush, your eye look, your everything should seem in one go. It should not look, here is a contour, here is a bronzer, here is a blush. No, it should look in a perfect sync. If you are doing a blush, do it like this pattern, so it looks beautiful. And mostly try to coordinate your eyeshadow with your blush, so it will give a very symmetrical look to your makeup. Next mistake to avoid for a flawless makeup look is to pick the right shade of foundation. Not picking the right shade of foundation is the huge and one of the big mistakes that I see, and trust me, I was there, I have done that, and right now also sometimes I do it. And it's very important for your makeup look that your foundation shade is perfect. I have done a video on my channel that goes pretty in depth on how you can choose the perfect shade. And if you are not going, first thing I will suggest to go in a store and buy the foundation, but right now we cannot do that. So online also there are application that tests which foundation will fit beautifully on your skin. So choosing correct shade of foundation is so important. Next mistake to avoid while doing makeup is highlighting both your eyes and lips. Trust me, you will end up looking like a joker. Play up one of those two things. Either make your eyes look bold or your lips. If you are having a neutral lip, then go for a bold eye look. If your eye look is quite bold, then go with a neutral lip. So the next tip I will give you, or next mistake you guys can avoid, is to apply blush properly. If you are applying your blush properly, it can enhance your makeup look to another level. Do a proper blush over here and do it on your nose as well. As I said, do a this kind of look, so it look balanced. Otherwise there are 2 blotches on your cheeks and then this is plain, then you will end up looking like a clown. So I don't want that. Nobody wants that. So yes, like choose the perfect blush that goes with your eye, and like proper application, it's so important. Next mistake that I see many people doing is like skipping on your neck altogether. So it looks very different. It looks like your face is quite different from your body, and it doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look nice, and it looks like your body is little bit older than your face, and like there are two different shades, which is not a good thing to see. It looks very weird and very unnatural. Next mistake to avoid is to like not washing your brushes regularly. So washing your brushes, like cleaning your makeup brushes, is so important, guys. I'm planning on making one video on like how to like wash your brushes properly, different techniques to wash brush, how often should you wash your brushes. So it's very important, because sometimes the bacteria and all is sitting over there, and you use that brush again and again, dirty brush, then it might cause you breakouts, and it look like two colors might mix and all that. It's not nice. So do wash your brushes, it's very important. Next mistake to avoid while doing your makeup is overdoing your brows, like overfilling your brows. Like again, I will say all these things are quite personal. Like I might think that is a mistake, but again, that again depends on you. Some people like they like quite boxy eyebrows. I like my eyebrows looking little bit natural, but still, again, if you are overfilling your eyebrows, it's looking jet black and it looks fake. It looks made up. It ruins your makeup look, because as I said, I feel eyebrows are like one of the important thing to do in makeup, and it can literally make or break your makeup look, because it defines and shapes and frames your face. So yes, it's very important how you do your eyebrows, and I think that is one of the most difficult things, and I still need to learn a lot about it. Next mistake to avoid while doing makeup is creams over powders. So what we generally tend to do, that we have like use cream products, then we use powder products, then we again use cream products. So it will look very cakey, because so many layers are there on your skin, like cream, then powder, then cream, then powder. So what I will suggest, first go with all your cream products, like your foundation, concealers, primers. If you are using liquid blush, liquid highlighters and everything, do those things first, then set your makeup base. Or if you are using powder blushes or highlighters or anything, then set your face and then do the blush and everything, because doing the things in the right order is very important. As I said in one of my videos, I think it was about tips on skincare, like it's very important in which step you are going, which things you are using, because it's very important that you use serums, then you use moisturizer. Like it makes a lot of difference. Wanted to say, I am not a pro. I am telling all these things from my experience. I might be wrong. You can correct me, and if I am doing any, you guys are watching my makeup videos, so if I am doing anything wrong, you can point it out. I will be happy to correct it. So yes, I hope you like this video, and let me know if you want to watch anything. Let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Link for Instagram will be in the description box, and don't forget to check out the description box. And thank you so much for watching, guys. This means a lot that you guys take out time from your busy lives and schedules and watch me. This means a family of almost 700 people, and I feel so blessed that you guys are out there and watching me. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.